But you never really made love to an angel. Break you down in different angles. Anything you want, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my top 10 favorite items under $15. I have the items right here in this basket, and I'm going to be starting from the crown of my head to the sole of my feet. Please note that these are my current favorites, subject to change, but not anytime soon. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like the video, leave a sweet comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get started. Coming in the number 10 position, it's gonna be the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Detangling Deep Conditioner. I've been buying this product since probably like 2019. I've gone through bottles and bottles and bottles of this. This is probably like under $6, if that much. I'll leave all the prices for all these items in the description box. But when I tell you this, well, backstory. I would say 4C, 4B in a few places, but for the most part, I have 4C here. When I tell you this conditioner, look at it. It makes my hair extremely soft. It detangles just like that. I've put my sister on. I've told my friends about this. Like this, I will forever be using this in my hair washing routine. Like, it is one of the best products to date, and it's very budget friendly. So it has no sulfates, no parabens, no dyes. It leaves my hair so soft, so silky. Like, detangling is a breeze, especially for after like protective styles. Currently I have like on a sewing, so after I take this out and I do like my clarifying shampoo and my moisturizing shampoo, I go in with this baby. When I tell you this, I use this on my extensions. Look at my hair. You see how soft that is? Well, the hair itself is good, a nice hair, this either way, but I'm telling you, this baby right here, you need this. Run to Walmart, Target, CVS, Amazon. They're Prime Day. You need this right now. The next product is going to be the Eucerin Clear Skin Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen. This is for acne prone oily skin. Backstory, I struggle with really horrible hormonal adult acne, like for the past 10 plus, well, close to 15 years. I finally gotten my acne under control. I'll probably like put a video out showing how I cleared up my skin. But this sunscreen, I don't leave my house without, let me start there. I don't leave my house without sunscreen. Rain, shine, snow. We don't have snow. I live in the south, so there's no snow here. I don't leave my house without this sunscreen on. I don't leave my house without the sunscreen. From my hairline to my décolletage, my ears, I don't care. It could be sub-zero temperatures outside. I'm always going to be wearing this sunscreen. It leaves my skin so glowy. Everybody's saying, like, whenever like people see me without makeup, they're like, oh my god, your skin is glowing. I'm like, literally, is this? Well, obviously like my moisturizer, but this is the cherry on top. This is what gives me that glow, and it protects my skin. Mind you, it kind of stings your eyes now and then. It kind of stings my eyes now and then, but it works for the purpose that it was made for. It doesn't leave a white cast. It's very moisturizing. It's $15-ish, I think. Actually, let me not quote the prices. I'll leave the price in the description box. You can get this at CVS, you can get this at Walmart, Walgreens, Target, wherever. But you need this. It's good for acne prone skin, and it gives you that glow. And we love a good glow, right? Okay. While we are on the topic of Eucerin, I struggle with very dry skin on like my arms and legs. This, I cannot live without this. 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 This is my saving grace. When I tell you skin soft, oh my god, that's a Jamaican coming up. It leaves my skin so soft, supple, especially for the colder months. Well, for the colder months to come, this is a lifesaver. When I tell you skin nice, soft, silky, buttery, amazing. if you have like sensitive skin or you have like eczema. Well, let me not say eczema, I don't have eczema, but I'm saying it's fragrance free and it's very thick in a good way. Thick in a good way, not greasy, moisturizing. I cannot live without this. So if you struggle with dry skin, crepey skin, it makes your skin so soft and supple for hours and hours and hours. I'm not talking you put it on and like you walk outside and like your skin ashy, dry. This leaves you moisturized for hours. Worse if you put like a bit of like vitamin E oil or sweet almond oil to seal this in. Not that you need to seal it in because it works perfectly by itself. But this, chef's kiss, amazing. While we're on the topic of hair products, let's speak about edge control. This is the, well, this is a viral product. Mind you, this is a viral product. I've been using this for like probably 2-3 years. This is the Gummy Professional Styling Wax Ultra Hold with the keratin complex, the red label. I said the red label. I get this from Amazon. This, for reference, I live in the South, Florida to be exact. In the summertime, the sun is like on your back, on your shoulder, giving you a hug from the back. It is very hot. This, when I put my hair in a bun, or I'm trying to do if I do my edges or whatever, this works perfectly. There is zero to minimal buildup. It does what it's supposed to do. It doesn't eat out your edges, and the price is right for the amount of product that you get. I will forever be repurchasing this until something better comes on the scene. But the other edge control that I've used, they leave the white flaky residue, the buildup. I can't manage that. Sticking to my gummy. Thank you so much. Moving on to some of my favorite products, makeup. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. Listen, do you know how many of these I've gone through? Do you know how many of these I've gone through? I'm turning it the wrong way. Do you know how many? Oh my God. I love. When I tell you, if I love the foundation, yeah, one more time. And mind you, I have a lot of foundation. I have a problem when it comes on to buying makeup. I will buy every foundation possible. I'm obsessed with makeup, okay? I have like high-end foundations and I have to keep coming back to my baby, my L'Oreal True Match, my pride and joy, love of my life in terms of complexion product. When I tell you the coverage is immaculate, the coverage is amazing. It's, well, I'm in the color neutral N8, neutral deep. The coverage is amazing, but it's not thick and heavy where you feel like caked on, like your skin can't breathe. This is so good. It's so good. It blends like a dream. It's not drying while you're trying to blend. It gives you time to work with the product. And then the pump. You remember the days when they didn't have the pump? Oh my God, that's how long I've been buying this. They didn't have the pump back in the day. Okay, L'Oreal, I see you. I've gone through so many of these. I'll forever use this, even if I'm using my high-end products. If you're looking for a beautiful drugstore, affordable foundation, I say get the L'Oreal True Match. Tried and true, literally. Speaking of L'Oreal, as you can see, I'm kind of like loyal to brands. And this is like a newer purchase. I probably got this like 2 weeks ago. I don't know, not 2 weeks ago, just kidding. I got this probably like a month ago or so. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. Listen, L'Oreal, the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. When I tell you, and mind you, I have the one size setting spray and the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. When I tell you that this, I don't know what they put in this. I literally do not know what they put in this. It almost feels like hairspray. When I spray it on, it's almost like hairspray. It's kind of weird. But when I tell you your makeup don't move, it literally does not move. And it smells nice. I'm like, if you have the one size, you know what that smells like. It's almost feel like it's burning your nostrils. It's so bad. This has a nice scent. But when I tell you, it just locks everything in place. You can literally feel it like seal. You can physically feel it sealing in your makeup. I'm going to keep repurchasing this. And for the fraction of the price of the one size, sign me up. L'Oreal, forever a fan, forever a customer, forever a customer. Okay. And then these, I've gotten so many compliments. Whenever I do my makeup, I've gotten so many comments. Oh my god, what blush are you wearing? What are you wearing on your cheeks? Is this? Is this? And mind you, it says this is the NYX Professional Makeup Buttermelt Bronzer. Mind you, I don't wear this as a bronzer because it is so red. It is not a good bronzer. It is the bronzer in the shade Butter Days. When I tell you, it doesn't look like much, no, but look at my cheeks. Look at my cheeks. This is what I'm currently wearing right now. Look at my cheeks. Do you see that? Do you see the material? This, when I tell you, it's literally so buttery. It glides on like a dream on my cheeks. It gives me the best glow without being like obnoxious. And it smells so amazing. And it doesn't irritate my skin. I have sensitive skin. It doesn't irritate my skin, and it lasts for hours. Listen, I want every color. I want every shade. I want every blush shade. I want every bronzer shade. NYX, if you're watching, hey girl. Hey girl. Hook a girl up. And then, coming in, these e.l.f. gloss. I have like so many. My favorite shade is in my work bag. What this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are the e.l.f. lip oil. So I have it in the color Coral Fixation. So pretty. I have it in this natural / neutral color. It's called Honey Talks. Listen, Honey Talks done. When I tell you Honey Talks done, Honey Talks done. Then I have it in, this is my second time getting this shade. It's called Red Delicious. Nice. And they're so moisturizing without being sticky. And I think they're like under $10. I'm like, dear ooh. e.l.f. did their big one when they made these. Like, this is one of the best dupes. Not that I've tried the actual original oil from Dior. These, so moisturizing, affordable, not sticky, comes in a wide range of shades. I'm just a girl. Of course I'm gonna have like multiple colors. I'm just a girl. And then from e.l.f., I'm an e.l.f. girl. You see these brushes? They're dirty. I know they're dirty. I know. This is what I use for powder. Well, I have multiple of this. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. You see how dense it is? Powder foundation, and I use it for liquid. When I tell you it just packs on whatever products you're using, and it makes it so airbrush. It makes your skin look nice. It's dense, but it imparts the right amount of product every single time. I just love it. The hairs don't shed. It's soft. Listen, you remember the days when e.l.f. brushes used to be like $1 or $3? Do you remember those good old days? Do you remember those days? Listen, e.l.f. finally know them worth. Them finally know them worth, but them still affordable though. They're still affordable. I'm not gonna knock that, but they're creeping up there. They're creeping up there. They're creeping up there. And while we're on the topic of e.l.f. brushes, the e.l.f. complexion brush, I've had this brush, or a number of these brushes over the years. This is the e.l.f. complexion brush, and I use this for my blush. This is for my blush. You see, look, it imparts the perfect amount of color every single time. One swipe, it's just right on my cheek. And the way the placement, the way it's shaped, I don't have to reverse contour a lot of times. It just snatches me up. You're on a budget. It's a recession. We're in a recession, girl. Affordable brushes that work. You need these. And then I can't find the cover, unfortunately. Back in the day when I had my blog, That was years and years and years and years and years ago, probably like 2012, I don't know. I did a post about this product. That's how long I've been using this product. And I'm from Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican girl. I'm a Jamaican country girl. So if you're a country girl, you know, you're going to the bush, to mango bush, you're going to the river, you're playing cricket, you're playing with the boys, you're playing rough. You have scars on your legs from when you were a kid. And my skin bruises easily. I don't have to do too much to get bruises. And then standing for long periods of time, you get like varicose veins, you get broken capillaries. This, literally, if you see a picture, any picture that I've posted, or when I take pictures, or when I'm going out and I want my legs to look amazing, scar free, nice, clean, like extra clean, this is what I'm going to use every time on my legs. It's like pretty much makeup for your legs, makeup for your body. It's not like a spray tan, it's pretty much makeup for your body. So it's kind of going to transfer just a little bit. It's going to transfer. You just have to be mindful of what you're doing. So I have it in the color Deep Glow. I will just spray it in the palm of my hands, rub it up, put it on my legs, let it dry. Then I do probably 2 layers until I build up the coverage that I need without looking crazy. Then I'll go in with a little bit of like a highlighter, like body highlight, and I just put it in the middle of my leg. Literally, it looks so good. It literally says Airbrush legs. I hope they never stop making this. I really do love it. And you get like a whole lot in the big can. I don't know where the cover is. I don't know where I get this cover from, but I don't know where the cover is. And this is like crazy not having a cover, but it still works. The product is not going bad. It's not drying out, so it's fine. Listen, I had to end the video with like perfume because I love perfumes. I have so many perfumes. I want to be a perfume. Oh my god. So I recently got this like probably 3 weeks ago. I always find like little gems. I always find these little gems in Marshalls. So it says Miic. I think that's what they're trying to say. It's called Miic Fragrance Laboratories. I think they do dupes of like higher end perfumes for a fraction of the cost. I think that's the whole concept behind this company. This is called Compound 99. So all of the scents have a number. So I smell this. I was like, why does it smell so familiar? It smells like something that I've smelled before, something that I've used. And like, I was in the checkout line. It was right at the checkout line area, and I kept smelling this. I was like, why this smells very familiar, and I couldn't put my finger on it. And I came home, and you know what it smelled like? This. You know what it smelled like? Baccarat. It smelled like Baccarat. Come to find out, it smelled like Baccarat. And I have Baccarat right here. I've had this bottle. I have Baccarat here. I have this bottle for like since 2020. It's now 2024. That's how long I've had this bottle. It's on its last leg because I have multiple perfumes and I kind of gave this a break. But this, and I've tried dupes of Baccarat, and I tell you, this is the closest dupe that I've experienced to date. So Miic Compound 99, if you see it in Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, please pick it up. Please pick it up. Please pick it up. Please pick it up. So good. $16.99, and it's eau de parfum, 20% oil, so you know it's gonna last all day. For $16.99, this was like $195. Oh, my chest. $195 for this baby bottle. Can you believe that? $195. $16, $195. You do the math. It's a recession, babes. Get into it. So that's it for my current favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your current favorites are. And until next time, talk to you later. Toodles.